The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Floyd County in north-central Iowa until 3:15 p.m. At 2:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockwell, or 12 miles southeast of Mason City, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Marble Rock around 2:40 p.m. Charles City around 2:55 p.m. Nashua around 3 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include County Roads B60 and T18, Howardswood Recreational Area, Idyllwild State Park, Roseville, Howardville, County Roads B20 and T26, and Oakwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Floyd, Iowa,